All right, you guys, it's Tuesday.
Why are you vlogging early?
Because I can do this. Y'all, I'll forget somebody the business. Right? That's dog. Y'all know who she is, right? Anyway, now they're trying to charge me us.
They did. It was a computer misread typo error that they dealing with their computer system. They didn't write that down.
I woke up choosing violence this morning. Not like that, but with my tongue.
What would have happened if you went up there by yourself?
I probably got arrested.
Fuck this. Give me the owner. Wake his ass up.
No, I'll ask for the owner's number. I'll ask for the owner's number for real. I was going to ask for the owner.
I don't want his business number. I want his personal one. I don't give a fuck if he lives in Kansas.
And all the emails go straight to them like, no. I need... Look, got situated. Technology problem. You guys, these technologies, they mess up.
They do.
They really messed up, y'all. So, today I'm cooking some curry chicken today. I got these little things from this little bead fabric. It ain't beads, like fabric from Myoo. It's cute, y'all. I like it. I'm going to get 2 more so I can do my whole wall. Myoo. Yes, a lot.
I was on it for like 37 seconds.
Girl, no.
I was like, oh.
Making curry chicken today and some rice.
That's a lot. It's a lot.
And
that is a lot.
I'm not going to go to the gym today. Man, 5 o'clock this morning, I woke up feeling icky, y'all.
We could at least went to the pool or something.
Tomorrow morning I can't do that. Not to see. I got to cook for curry chicken.
I know what you got to do, but 30 minutes a day is not long.
In the pool?
30 minutes doing anything isn't long. 30 minutes.
Oh, my stomach hurts. My stomach hurts.
I'll get that. 30 minutes, though. 30 minutes. What we did yesterday, they ain't going to hurt your stomach.
That's I wanna...
30 minutes.
I'm not thinking about a job. We'll see.
30 minutes.
We'll see.
You didn't want to do 5. You didn't want to do 10 minutes on the goddamn stairs.
Yeah, I was tired.
When you did that 5, you looked like you came out the pool. I was like,
really? 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 Really?
I said, that's my
really?
He was on level 3. I said,
really?
okay. I'm not getting on level 3.
I'm out, y'all. I gotta get ready for work. See y'all in a minute.
I'm not getting on level 3.
Oh, I found the back home. Made it back home. I'm cooking some curry chicken. Whoa, nice thing. Making some curry chicken and some jasmine rice today. Alright, you guys. I am beat. Really got curry chicken on and jasmine rice. And tomorrow, 2 students ate lunch on me. One wanted Burger King Whopper, and the other one wanted McDonald's chicken nuggets. So that gotta be done tomorrow. And we got field day Friday, and we got a superhero day. I'm like, I don't know about that. So we got that this Friday, y'all. So all right, I'll show you guys what I did when I get done. All right. Push it up. I think this is a transformer. I don't know Idris Elba's in Transformer. Oh shit, it's commercial. Wait, another commercial.
Hepatitis C.
Pacific Rim. I know Idris Elba, I know Transformer. Can you say something in Swahili?
Hello, hey, mambo. Naendeleaje? Tuko hapa na mama tunapika kidogo nini. Ya leo tunapika wali wa mchuzi. Nafikiri itakuwa na wali ya.
You say asante?
Yeah.
What that mean?
Thanks.
That for you? Nigga, I don't know. What the hell? He said. What do you say, babe?
Hello. We are preparing some food. Today we're gonna cook rice and chicken. Yeah, that's it.
And he said, Ashanti mean thank you.
Thank you, yeah.
All right, you guys. Y'all hear that? It's almost done, you guys. Almost, not all the way. But gotta put my hot water and the rest of the spices and pour it in here. It's almost done. And I forgot to scan it, take the skin off, but I'm not supposed to have the skin on, but I forgot. I was in a rush this morning. Had a lot of food this morning. And yeah, this is this middle process of the curry chicken. That was me and Maya. Scratch cards. Yeah, I love the smell of curry chicken. I love the smell of curry chicken, y'all. Love the smell of that. All right, let me cover this up for a minute. It's done. I love butter. So add the liquid in here. So this got to reduce some. And the gravy or the sauce has to get thickened. And then be ready to eat, you guys. Alright, this is how it looks. I poured hot water in the rest of my spices that I had my meat marinated with. And there's some thyme and green peppers in here, scotch bonnet peppers, onion, lentil seeds, and what else? Ginger, garlic. So yeah. So let this reduce some. And then we say our prayers and get ready to eat. I don't know if it's spicy or not, but I put 3 peppers in here, y'all. Okay, I gotta leave this alone. Alright. Done, you guys. Got the curry chicken and jasmine rice. This is babe's plate. That look delicious. Oh, God, look at that. Alright, y'all. Be blessed.